Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Today I'm going to be showing you this D-rings that I bought from Amazon. It's a 4-inch large D-rings and it came with 6 pieces. So these are perfect for homeschooling projects like flashcards, for binding your books. And I chose this lock because it's more secure than the regular lock, so you would have to like twist it to unlock and lock it, and it's very secured. So I'll be using these for these laminated game that I made for our church. So these are the games, and it'll just hold the books of the Bible like in the correct order, so I don't have to like arrange it every time. So these are perfect for like projects like this. So I'll just be using 2 of these D-rings, one for like the Old Testament and one for the New Testament flashcards. I will be punching holes on the games, on the bottom of the games, and I'll be showing you that right now. So I have punched holes in a few of these flashcards, and as you can see, these are irregularly shaped, so they're a little bit tricky to line up, but I will just like put the hook in and secure it. Just twist the lock when you're ready. I'm actually just using one hand here, so it's a little bit tricky to twist the lock, but yes, that's how it would look like. Just twist it tightly, and there you go. You got your flashcards, and you can just hang them. And as you can see, it looks like it's too big for this project, but it's nice to have a lot of space when you're like making projects like this, so it wouldn't ruin the lamination. So thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.